Students, in the previous video we already read the chapter hydrosphere and what is hydrosphere, and we also read about the ocean currents. So students, today we are going to discuss about the tides. So first of all, we will discuss what are tides. Tides are caused by gravitational pull of the moon and the sun. Tides are very long periods wave that move through the ocean forces exerted by the moon and the sun. Tides are originate in the ocean and progress towards the coastline, where they appear as the regular rise and fall of the sea surface. So it occurs once or twice in a day. So next is gravitational force. So tides occur when the earth, the sun and the moon are in line. The gravitational forces of the moon and the sun both contribute to the tides. So spring tides occur during the full moon and the new moon. Next is, what is the influence of the moon? So students, high tides and the low tides are caused by the moon. The moon's gravitational pull generates something that is called tidal force. Tidal force causes earth and its water and to bulge out on the side closest to the moon and the side farthest from the moon. These bulges are of water are high tides. So next is the rotation of the earth. The earth rotates through the two tidal bulges every lunar day. So the coastal area experiences two high tides and two low tides every 24 hours and 50 minutes. So next is types of tides. So first of all, we will discuss the spring tides. When the sun, moon and the earth are in straight line, the gravitational force is more because of combined forces of the sun and the moon are pulled together. So at that time, the low forces is very low and the high tide is very tight. So students, keep it in mind, when the sun, moon and the earth are in straight line, then due to its combined forces, the low tides are very low and the high tides are very high. So next is neap tide. So when the sun, moon and the earth are not in straight line, because there is no any combined forces and they are not pulling together, and the gravitational pull is much less. So the sun, moon are pulling on the straight right line, and the difference between the high tide and the low tide is not very large. These tides are called neap tide. So students, now last point, that is the effect of tides. So students, tides help in many ways. Like first of all, tides help to remove debris. Debris means the pieces of something that has been destroyed. So tides help in remove in debris from the seashore. Tides help to generate electricity, and tides help in producing salt. And in cold countries, tides prevent the pores from freezing. So students, tides, as you read, tides help in many ways. So students, today we discussed the different types of tides and its effect. So students, read this topic once again, then you will be able to do the question answers. Thank you students.